Hey, we want to welcome everybody back. I don't know if you remember as a baby boomer, we watched Welcome Back Kotter and their theme, and I got their songs playing. We just want to thank everybody who's been on LMS Love My Systems, and we're really enjoying everything that we're doing here at the office. We want to welcome everybody to lovemysystems.com so that we can automate the processes of everything that we're doing, from tax documents, your W-2s, any information that we might need to fill out your tax return, insurance policies. We can still quote, we can still do the things that you need to do, from auto, home, life, all the general liability, workers' comp under the commercial. So we have all the insurance needs that you need, and everything is being automated right now as we speak using lovemysystems.com. So I just want to take this time to thank everybody for supporting LMS, and we want to let you know that we're praying for all those that have been affected by the coronavirus, all the small businesses, but more important, those families who have lost loved ones right now in this critical time. We want to pray for all you guys, and from the hearts of LMS are out sincerely to every single one of y'all. We just want to take this time and just say thank you for supporting LMS, and any needs that you might have, you'll still be able to contact us. Again, remember, lovemysystems.com. Download it. It's for free for the 14 days. You don't need a credit card to register. Just give us an email, give us a shout. You can get contacts through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. I'm on LinkedIn, and I want to thank all those on LinkedIn who have been writing up on lovemysystems.com, been using it, playing with it, break it, do whatever you got to do. Just let us know how you like the system or love the system. Please feel free to use it and contact us at any time at LMS. Thank you.